It is time to recap one of the hotly contested athletic endeavors of the entire spring. Not the Stanley Cup playoffs, not the NBA playoffs, but the European Championship of goal screeching. What is the European Championship of goal screeching, Ryan? Well, I'm so glad you asked. The competition is held each and every year in Belgium and started out as an opportunity to bring awareness to bettering the image of seagulls. Originating 5 years ago as a more local event before going Europe-wide the following year, the event sees seagull imitators show off their best screeches to a panel of 5 judges. The judges score out of 15 for the seagull sound and 5 points for their overall behavior. The atmosphere in the very small cafe was electric as the contestants screeched for their lives. And the winning screech from Jarmo Slaughter of the Netherlands. This man took the crown with the #1 seagull screech in his first ever year competing.
a bit overwhelmed still, but very happy to win here.
Do you believe in miracles? Let's go! What a Cinderella story. The glass slipper fits the feet. Or the talons, I guess.